Welcome to 4 Alarm Clocks. Today we want to introduce to you the Braun BNC005 in black and gray. This is a reflex control travel alarm clock, non-ticking, with a world time map. Braun offers performance-driven products and tracks popular generational demands as seen in its motion-activated classic analog Quartz alarm clock. Just with a simple hand gesture, you can set the snooze and stop the alarm. It's equipped with German-engineered quartz movement accuracy. It has a Crescendo alarm, so it'll start out slow and continue to get louder so it won't startle you. This is a really high-quality product. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let you hear the alarm and show you how to turn it off and set the snooze. All you have to do is wave your hand. It also has what's called a torch light, so you can see it in the dark. Quality by Braun.